What's up guys and welcome back to the channel. Now in this quick word tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a professional table of contents in just a few clicks. Whether you are working on a school assignment, a report, a thesis, or a long document, table of contents makes your work look very organized and helps readers navigate it very easily. So I'm going to guide you through the entire process step by step. So even if you are a beginner, you'll be able to, go through the steps. So let's get started. So first of all, this is a document that I have, and I want to use this document to show you how a table of contents can be created. So first of all, you need to make sure you set your styles correctly for all different headings. So first of all, you highlight your main header, choose header 1. So if it is a main header, you choose header 1. You scroll down. This is a subheader. Highlight it, choose header 2. This is also a subheading. Choose header 2. Header 2. Header 2. Header 2. So yes, so basically if you have a main header, you select header 1, a subheading, select header 2. If you have any headings below the subheadings, you choose header 3. So afterwards, you come to references. You come to references, come to table of contents, then you choose automatic table 1. So you put the cursor on where you want the table of contents to be. In my case, I want it to be here. So automatic table 1. And there you go. It automatically creates the table of contents for you. So as you can see, the main header is here, and these are the subheadings below. So yeah, I hope this video helps you. And if you want more contents like this, kindly like and subscribe and follow the YouTube channel. It helps us a lot. Thank you.